Today to introduce you to the damping laser, handheld welding tape nitrogen generator. Today we mainly introduce the function of nitrogen generator to you. The first thing we see is our vertical nitrogen generator. It is made up of two storage towers and a gas tank. Here we can see towers A and B, which are used to store gas for the air intakes. After the gas is stored, it undergoes a purification process to purify our nitrogen. This is our nitrogen purity test chart. It will be slowly purified in the tower to 99.99% purity.